Look, she looks like Joe Highfield. You do too, though.
How about that flower Joe brought you that time? That pot. And you got
Oh,
one
we had a
for jail.
guy's heat, and it was a heater that he brought it in. I thought it was so pretty. I said, well, I'm going to set it here on the heater. I got it on the heater right quick. I thought I got it off right quick, too. He was coming around the corner.
Who was coming around the corner?
Police!
What was coming around the corner for?
Because I had that pretty pot sitting on the heater. Then
What'd they say?
I didn't say nothing.
What?
I had it gone. The fastest woman you ever see.
It was marijuana pot.
Well, I don't know what it was.
This old pot plant.
No, it wasn't, because it was pretty.
Well, why'd you hide it?
Hell, I didn't want to go to jail for a piece of plant.
They legalize that stuff now. It's legal.
Well, I still don't want it in my house.
I got some out there in the car.
Well, you get that damn car out of the yard.
No, Mama, it's pretty. It's got the biggest, prettiest buds on it. What?
Go out there in my yard and get that
What?
a pink
Yeah.
rose,
Yeah.
but it's on a tree.
You can't smoke a rose.
I ain't wanting to smoke.
I'm going to get you
No.
these pot plants.
I don't want no pot plant.
No, but Mama, this thing's will make you feel good.
I don't want to feel good,
There-
baby.
The
There's,
roses is about dead.
oh, fuck them roses. Mama, don't you got glaucoma? Your eyes bother you any at all?
Oh, shit, don't start all what bothers me.
All right, I love you.
I love you too,
But what?
but that ain't none of your business.